You're profitable, cash flow is positive, the audits are clean. So your finance function must be working, right? Not necessarily. Most mid-market companies confuse financial health with financial maturity, but making payroll and making strategic financial decisions aren't the same thing. This is the financial maturity curve. Most companies stop evolving somewhere between relief, reliance, and rigidity without realizing their systems are holding them back. By the time they feel the strain, growth is already stalled. I've seen $45 million companies miss payroll because a customer paid late, despite clean audits and rising revenue. Why? Because their systems weren't built to survive, not to scale. At smaller size, good enough works, but at 50 million, those same systems can kill momentum. You don't need better spreadsheets. You need financial capabilities that keep up with your strategic complexity. Most companies follow the same pattern. Phase 1, relief. Profitability improves, the stress of survival fades, but planning stays reactive. Phase 2, reliance. Leaders depend on reports, but the data is lagging, and major decisions get made on outdated snapshots. Phase 3, rigidity. Budgets become static, finance can't flex when conditions shift. It's not in the budget becomes the excuse that kills opportunity. The warning signs? Cash surprises, delayed decisions, CFOs who report but don't lead, and basic profitability questions that require a special project to answer. So how do you build real financial maturity? Start with real-time cash visibility. Move from monthly reports to 13-week rolling cash forecasts. Then implement decision-ready tools. Finance should model scenarios and enable action, not just explain variances. Replace static budgets with flexible planning frameworks that adapt as market conditions shift. And embed finance in every strategic discussion. If your CFO isn't influencing growth decisions, you're still stuck in phase 2. Financial maturity means your systems don't just track performance, they accelerate it. The question isn't whether you're profitable, it's whether your finance function is fueling growth or quietly limiting it. The companies that answer that early scale faster lead longer and compete from a position of control. To explore this full framework, visit teelongrowth.com.